Hi, I'm Nicole from Cricut, and I'm going to demonstrate how to make a cutaway card using a design that's both drawn and cut, like this. To make along with me, you'll need your Cricut Joy, a card mat, a cutaway card, a Cricut Joy pen to swap out with your fine point blade, and a weeding tool or tweezers. As always, we'll start in Design Space. Find this project by searching It's Your Day card in the Ready to Make tab. Click Make It, and double check that you've got the right size design for the card you're making. Remember to peel and stick your backer to the adhesive before you cut. Then follow the instructions for prepping and loading your materials. Slide your card onto your card mat, positioning it at the upper left of the mat. Make sure your Cricut Joy pen is secured. Click Go in Design Space and let your machine do its thing. Design Space prompts you to swap your fine point blade back in when it's time to cut. When the cut is done, you're ready to unload and weed. Remember, the technique for weeding cutaway cards is a little different than vinyl or iron-on material. Find the corners of your cut that are slightly lifted, or start at the narrowest or tightest corners of the cut. Slide your weeding tool or tweezers under the cardstock to reveal the backer, and then use your hands to peel up the cardstock from there. Using your weeding tool to snag the cardstock will likely leave you with a little imprint in your metallic backer, so be as light as possible with your weeding. And that's how you make a cutaway card that uses both the draw and cut functionality of your Cricut Joy. We can't wait to see what you make.